Steve here again. This is the final tutorial I'll be doing for now in Xcode, and this is how to link to an existing repository. While one of you will likely set up the development environment and the repository, everyone else will be able to need to make changes and push changes to the repository. This is how you do it. So in Xcode, down here, when you open this up, go up to Xcode and then Preferences. Go to the Accounts tab here and click the plus sign. The option you want to select is Bitbucket Server. Hit Continue. The URL is the URL of your repository, which you get from clone, and copy this link. Then enter your username and password. This is your Deacon username and password. And click Sign In. Then hit Close. Reopen Xcode and click Clone an existing project. Your repository is now here. The one we're working on is Test Swift, so click that and click Clone. Then you choose the branch you want to check out. You should normally pick one of the feature branches. You can check out master, however, it's bad practice to do changes directly on the master branch, as discussed previously. I'm going to check out the forked branch, and I click Clone. Give it a name. And then all the files will download. Then if you go here and you open this up, you can see your local branch and what's available online. Committing changes online is the same as other tutorials I've shown. Thank you.